We've got the STURMGEWEHR 44, the GSG version 22 back out again, and we're going to be doing a takedown, getting it ready for cleaning. So there's that main pin there that's got a spring loop. Take that out. That allows the buttstock to slide off, and you've got your bolt and carrier attachment here. So while you're holding that, pull the trigger housing down. That is under some spring tension, so if you don't hold it, it may come flying out of the back of the gun. Know that from experience. And your other attachments there. Main bolt. This thing is filthy. Yeah, it will need a bath. It's so tight inside there, inside the chamber there. So we'll get the brushes, patches, solvent, and other goop out to get this thing all cleaned up and ready for another range day. Hey, appreciate you watching. Thank you to all the subscribers, and if you like what we're doing, how about giving us a thumbs up?